The man sitting on the left of India's Prime Minister is L.K. Advani. He's among the senior leaders of the Hindu nationalist Bharatiya Janta Party, charged with criminal conspiracy in the rampage against a centuries-old mosque. Using sledgehammers and hand tools, a Hindu mob tore down the 16th century Babri Mosque in Ayodhya in 1992. Nationwide riots between majority Hindus and minority Muslims followed, and thousands of people, mostly Muslims, were killed.
It's very, very significant that, three of the very, very senior names of the ruling party are now going to face the criminal conspiracy charges. However, let's not forget that it has taken a quarter of a century for the judiciary to just decide that whether they should be tried or not. And now, the verdict has come at a time when India is going through a severe polarization. The polarization that, we have not experienced in our living memory.
India's Supreme Court has now ruled that witnesses must be produced on a daily basis and a verdict has to be reached in 2 years. The mosque holds a special significance for the Muslims of India, and clerics have welcomed the move by the court.
We think that all those people who are responsible for the demolition of the Babri Masjid, charges will be framed against them, and it will be ensured that justice must be done in the Babri Masjid demolition case.
But the site is also sacred to Hindus, who say this was the birthplace of one of their most revered gods. The right-wing BJP government is under pressure from its voters to fulfill its pledge to build the Ram temple on the site. And local politicians have been warning anyone against blocking those plans.
We are waiting for you traitors to raise your heads, and then we will behead you all. And Ayodhya Ram temple will be built at any cost.
The guiding forum behind the BJP's ideology, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, or RSS, has distanced itself from statements calling for violence, but it supports the building of the temple. The court may have allowed the filing of charges, but the prosecution believes that it will still take time for justice to be served. Osama bin Javaid, Al Jazeera.